Let's create 3-2-1 Milo game today. Let's go to Create Game page. Let's select Event. And let's select course Kingwood Island. After that you need to add a game name. Let's add game name, 3-2-1 game. Now select game type, which is 3-2-1 Milo. You can choose the game type with handicap or without handicap. Let's select with handicap. Now you can select the start date and start time for the game. The playing type, let's go with 2 versus 2 team. So in the COD, you have to select the cards, and according to the card position the matches will be generated. In the 2 versus 2 teams you need to select players as you pick yourself how the team will form. That's where the match will be configured. And in random, the difference is, in the 2 versus 2 team, the players will be auto-selected. You just have to change the player names. In random, you have to manually select all the players. So for now, let's go with 2 versus 2 team. Now we're across foursome teams. Let's select the team. Okay, there are 4 teams we have created for the across game. Let's click on Done. The bet per match set as $3. The SCOD pool prize is $5. Junk pool prize is set to $2. Point per hole is 1 point. Point per match is 0 point. There's no bonus point set. Now select the game image. Okay, let's select the first one. Click on Save Game. The game is now created. And here you will see all the details. All the details of the game, the foursome, the game team, and the other details on the top. Now you can start add scoring by just clicking on Add Score. Now in the Add Score, when you click on Add Score, it will show all the foursomes that are currently playing in this game. You can override some of the settings on the foursome side. So let's go to the foursome 2 and let's go to the settings icon. Now here first you will see the match selection area. Since we have created it as a 2 versus 2 match type, we need to configure the match for each hole. In the 3-2-1 Milo, the match is played on each 3 holes. So match 1 is played on holes 1, 2, 3. There are 2 teams playing. Each team will have 2 players. In match 1, let's select the 2 players as team 1. We select D1 and D4. And select D2 and D3 as team 2. Now let's go to match 2 and select the players for the first team. Let's select D1 and D2. For the second team, let's select D4 and D3. Okay, on match 3 you can select player D1 and D3 for the first team. And for the second team, select D4 and D2. Now on the back side of the course, it will repeat as the front holes. D1 and D4 will be playing as team 1. And D2 and D3 will be playing as team 2. Now let's configure match 5. D1 and D2 as team 1. And D4 and D3 as team 2. In the last match, match 6, let's select D1 and D3. And the second team, D4 and D2. You can check the match configuration. You can still update the players if you want. If there is any mistake. After confirmation, you can touch on the Done button. We need to add the bet first. So on the top right side of this match configuration menu is a bet button. Touch on it and it will open the bet settings. Now here it will show the default settings that we have updated during the game creation time. You can still override it for this particular foursome. If you don't want to, you can just keep it as is. Now choose the scorekeeper, which is currently selected as DOS1 as default. You can change if you want. Let's select DOS4. The bet setting is updated. Now click on Done again. It will generate the matches and you are now ready to add score. So as you can see, all the holes are showing here. Now let's go to hole 1 and start adding the score. Hole number 1, you will see on the top side there's hole 1. There's a par for this hole. And the tee time. And the accelerator switch and the I button. It will show you the information about the accelerator feature. Then there are 3 tabs. One is scorecard. Second is SCODE. Third is junk. Currently we are in scorecard. Below scorecard, you will see the teams currently playing on this hole. D1 and D4 currently playing together versus D2 and D3. On the right side, there is a leaderboard. It will show the live leaderboard. As the game progress, it will update. Below, the 4 players currently playing in this foursome. There is a player logo and the player name and the BGA HCP. You will see the green ball icon here. That indicates this player is getting a stroke on this hole. Also, you can see below that the D3 player gets a stroke on this hole as well. There is a score plus or minus field. And there is a total SCODE junk field as well. If you open the box, you will see points, putts, fairway, and LD fields. Let's start adding score. Let's add a 5. Let's add a 3. Let's add D2 score as 2. And D4 score as 3 as well. Let's hit save. Scorecard is updated. Now you can see the point will also update here. As per the 3-to-1 Milo rule. You can also see on the leaderboard as well. So in the leaderboard, the point player will be shown on the upside. You will see the flag icon. That means this foursome has reached this hole, hole number 1. So let's continue to add the score. Let's add SCODE as well. Please say add Cromie here as earned. On the junk. For D1, let's say Twofer made and Newt made as well. Let's add for D4 as well. Next, Twofer missed and Newt missed as well. For D2, let's say Twofer made, Newt missed. For D3, Twofer, call made, Newt as missed. Junk is updated for each player on this hole. You can also update the SCODE if needed. Let's go to scorecard and continue adding the score. Okay, now, I have updated score for all the 18 holes. Now we can finish the foursome. Once you finish the foursome, you will be redirected to results page. In the results page, you will see all the foursomes whose matches have been completed. Currently, only foursome 2 has completed all the holes. Let's click on foursome 2. It will show the result page with all holes, scored junk, and the total on the right side of the screen. Also, you will see the team score on the bottom sheet. Bottom side of the page. Here you will see on the first one, DOS1 and DOS4 playing together. Against Team 2 which has DOS2 and DOS3 player. You can cross-check the score from the ago. Below, you will see the winner summary for each match. Like in match 1, DOS2 and DOS3 team has won the match. Bet was $3, so they get $3 for front. As you can see, front, back, and then total. Within foursome summary. You can see more summary and the settlement. If you touch on the summary button, you will see a tabular format. You will see the player, team, front, back and total score. And below the settlement like. DOS1 will pay to DOS2, $9. And below, there is the SCODE pool and junk pool winners. Like DOS1 is won it. You will see for the score summary as well as for the chunk summary. Now the ledger. You will see the foursomes. Now let's go to the foursome 2. Let's click on DOS1 and the View button. Let's see the ledger for DOS1 player. Okay, so DOS1 is expecting $5 from each of the 3 players. Current status is pending. If you click on the pending button, you will see the settlement. The ledger for each transaction. You can also send a reminder if you touch on Reminder button. It will send the reminder. So let's log in as DOS4 and let's pay the due to the DOS1. Let's log in. Let's go to the game, 3, 2, 1. Now go to the ledger. Now you can see, the DOS4 player needs to pay $5 to DOS1, $2 to DOS2, and $15 to DOS3. When you click on Pay Now, it will show the details. Details of the amount. You need to pay $5. Now you can pay with PayPal. Just click on Pay with PayPal button. It will open the PayPal interface where you can log in and pay the due. We are logged in with our PayPal account. Let's pay it. The payment status has been updated as paid. Okay, so this is how you can see the ledger and make the settlement in the game. Thanks for watching.